Welcome to today's video, where we're stepping into a world of elegance and exclusivity on rails. Imagine private luxury trains with million-dollar cabins, where every detail is designed for ultimate comfort and prestige. These aren't just journeys, they're moving palaces offering five-star experiences as the world's most scenic routes pass by. From breathtaking interiors to unmatched privacy, these trains redefine travel for the elite. Stay with us as we explore this luxurious adventure, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content. Number 5. Rolling palaces. Private luxury trains are often referred to as rolling palaces because of their extravagant design and unmatched elegance. These trains are not ordinary modes of transport, but masterpieces of architecture on wheels. Every detail inside reflects opulence, from marble bathrooms to crystal chandeliers hanging in the dining cars. The interiors are crafted to replicate the atmosphere of royal palaces, ensuring passengers experience comfort and grandeur simultaneously. Guests can lounge in plush armchairs, admire panoramic views from glass-domed roofs, and dine in halls resembling fine restaurants of Europe's grand hotels. The space is carefully designed to provide maximum privacy, making travelers feel as though they are residing in a luxury estate that simply moves with them. For many ultra-wealthy individuals, these trains are more than just transportation. They are an extension of their lifestyle. They symbolize the ability to enjoy palatial living while exploring the most scenic landscapes in the world. Whether it's crossing deserts, mountains, or lush countryside, the train maintains the same aura of regality and sophistication. Rolling palaces stand as the ultimate expression of wealth on rails, blending travel with royal living in a way that no other experience can offer. Number 4. Million-dollar suites. One of the most striking features of these private luxury trains is the existence of million-dollar suites. These cabins are not just sleeping compartments, but miniature mansions fitted inside a train carriage. Built with rare woods, handcrafted furniture, and gold detailing, every suite embodies artistry and luxury. Some even feature private lounges, spacious bedrooms, marble-fitted bathrooms, and personal balconies. Booking these cabins can cost more than $1 million for extended journeys, making them some of the most expensive travel experiences in the world. Wealthy travelers invest in such suites, not only for comfort, but also for exclusivity and prestige. Designers of these cabins aim to combine old-world charm with modern luxury, creating an atmosphere where passengers can feel both royal and contemporary. The million-dollar price tag often includes tailored experiences, such as curated wine selections, rare cuisines, and personal staff available at all times. Every element, from silk sheets to hand-painted walls, speaks of absolute extravagance. These suites redefine what private luxury means, proving that on certain trains, money can indeed buy not just comfort, but an unforgettable journey that rivals even the grandest palaces or yachts. Number 3. Exclusive routes. Private luxury trains also stand apart because of their exclusive routes, designed to provide passengers with experiences beyond ordinary travel. Unlike commercial trains, these routes are carefully selected for their rarity, scenic beauty, and cultural significance. Some journeys may pass through remote deserts, cross towering mountains, or glide alongside coastlines rarely seen by the public. In certain cases, tracks are opened only for these trains, giving travelers a sense of privilege and privacy unmatched by other forms of transport. Exclusive routes often include stops at private estates, hidden landmarks, or luxury resorts, where only the train's passengers are allowed to explore. This exclusivity ensures that the journey itself becomes an event, not just the destination. For many, riding these trains means gaining access to views and locations that money alone cannot buy outside such experiences. It also allows passengers to avoid crowded tourist paths and instead enjoy peaceful, uninterrupted exploration. Some routes are seasonal, running only at specific times of the year, making the experience even more limited and desirable. This rarity, combined with breathtaking scenery and private access, makes exclusive routes one of the defining features of luxury train travel worldwide. Number 2. Personalized service. Another highlight of private luxury trains is the extraordinary level of personalized service offered to every guest. Unlike regular travel experiences where service is standardized, these trains operate with the philosophy that every passenger deserves a unique journey crafted around their individual preferences. Dedicated butlers, private chefs, and attendants are assigned to travelers, ensuring that every request is fulfilled immediately. Meals are prepared according to personal tastes, with world-class chefs curating menus from the finest ingredients. Guests may request specific wines, rare dishes, or even custom entertainment on board. Beyond food and drinks, staff members arrange activities, private sightseeing tours, and cultural experiences depending on passenger interests. Every suite is maintained with meticulous attention, often refreshed multiple times a day to ensure maximum comfort. The service level mirrors that of royal households, where the staff knows the preferences of each guest and adapts accordingly. For ultra-wealthy individuals, this attention to detail transforms travel into a deeply personal experience. It eliminates the inconvenience of planning or managing the trip, allowing travelers to simply relax and enjoy the luxury provided. Personalized service is what elevates these journeys from being luxurious to truly unforgettable. Number 1. Prestige travel. Above all, private luxury trains symbolize prestige travel. They are not merely about comfort, scenic routes, or even million-dollar cabins. They represent a lifestyle of ultimate wealth and exclusivity. Owning or booking such trains is a mark of status, comparable to having a private jet or super yacht. Unlike other luxury assets, however, trains offer a unique sense of grandeur because of their historical connection to royalty and aristocrats. In the past, kings, emperors, and noble families used private trains for journeys, and today's modern versions carry forward that same tradition of power and influence. Travelers on board such trains are often seen as members of an elite circle, enjoying privileges that only the richest can afford. The prestige also comes from the rarity of the experience. Very few people in the world ever get the chance to ride in these rolling palaces. It is not just travel, but a statement of identity, showcasing sophistication and refined taste. The sight of a luxury train arriving at a private station instantly conveys authority and elegance. For many, prestige travel by train is the ultimate way to merge heritage, exclusivity, and wealth into a single extraordinary journey. Thanks for watching this journey through the world of private luxury trains and their million-dollar cabins. These rolling palaces showcase how travel meets unmatched comfort and grandeur. If you enjoyed exploring this side of luxury travel, stay tuned for more exclusive content and make sure to subscribe for future videos.